people of the interwebs, and welcome to another video. Before I start, I want to make an announcement. So taking account into the situation that's going all around the world, I wanted to do my part as a person of color. There are 3 super cute stickers available on my shop whose proceeds will directly go towards Black Health Alliance Canada. So please consider buying something cute, donating to a great cause, and supporting a small business all at the same time. When you spend the $2.50 on one sticker, the $2 goes to the charity and 50 cents just covers the Etsy fees. Links to my store and the sticker can be found in the description below. Moving on to the video you all clicked here for, here's me setting up my bullet journal for the month of July. The theme for this month is koi fish and everything related to that, so water lilies and pond and lily pads, etc. I got the inspiration for this while designing the custom freebies for my store reps. I drew a koi fish for one of the freebies and fell in love with it, and I knew I had to do something with koi fishes in the future. So I'm just starting off as always with my cover page. I'm drawing the classic 2 koi fish combos with the Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip brush pen. I'm also using an orange Tombow brush pen and a yellow Crayola marker to color in the fishes. I just love coloring in the fishes because it's just blobs of yellow and orange. Next, I'm using a green Crayola super tip marker to write in the month. I also felt that the page was a bit incomplete, so I added little green circles with the same green marker from before, and that completes the cover page. Moving on to the monthly page, since I'm social distancing and staying indoors, I don't have a use for a full-blown calendar, so I went for a fun, creative monthly this month. So in the center of the 2 pages, I'm making a big title saying July, and I'm making a circle around it with stickers. Then I'll have lines coming out of the circles to signify any important dates throughout the month. So a subtle plug here, all the stickers used in this video can be found in my shop. It'll be linked down below. I'm just using some circle stickers to signify all the important dates in the month of July, drawing in the lines and then filling in any dates that have anything fun happening or something I need to remember in the month of July. Next, I am setting up one of my favorite pages, the habit tracker and the mood tracker. So for the habit tracker, I'm creating a big block of green on the left side and then adding koi fishes and other stickers to decorate it. Next, I'm just writing in the title and drawing out all the boxes for all the habits. I absolutely love the green border with the stickers on the side of the page. It looks super cute. Some of the habits that I'm tracking this month are doing cardio every day, doing strength training every day, posting on Instagram, drinking enough water, making sure I'm on top of my skincare regimen, making sure I'm taking all my vitamins that day, eating no sugar for the day, that's something new, and then also watering my plants every day. I got these awesome new plants that need watering every day, so I thought I'll put it in my habit tracker, make sure I water them so I don't kill them. And then lastly, I'm just adding a drop shadow to all of the habit tracker little calendars just to make it all cute, and that is the habit tracker. For the mood tracker, I'm just drawing 31 lily pads that I will color them according to my mood. The legend at the bottom is a complete ripoff from Planning with Kay's mood tracker. I absolutely love her, and all the credit for the wacky mood titles goes to her. Next, I am setting up my first weekly page. Since I loved the green border on the habit tracker page, I thought I'd do the same for the weekly and have green borders all around the boxes. But when I did it, it just looked very ugly to me, so I tore the page out and started new. I went for a minimal green box with a drop shadow instead and added green washi tape in the middle to add some interest and also hide how bad I am at tearing pages. These boxes, I'm using the same green Crayola super tip marker that I used in my cover page and all the other setups. I feel like this green is just like the perfect pond green, if that even makes sense. It's just very cute and I love the color, so as you can see I'm using it over and over and over and over again. The next weekly setup is super simple as well. It is just 6 boxes with lily pads at the top for headers. These lily pads are super easy and fun to draw, so check out my Instagram to learn how to draw them easily and quickly. Again, to add interest to the page, I added a strip of washi tape at the bottom of the page. Now that we're at the next weekly setup, as you can see, I like to set up all my weeklies at once because it's just convenient for me. So for this weekly, I had to bring back the green border with the fish stickers that I had on either side of the pages. So looking back at this layout, I think this would make an amazing Dutch door design. Maybe next time I'll try it out with Dutch doors instead. So for the days of the week, I just wrote them using the same green marker I've been using for all the layouts. And for dates, I cut circle stickers in half to make semicircles and then use them to add all the dates. Here is the finished weekly. As you know, this month has 5 weeks, so I'll be setting all 5 of them, and this is number 3 all done, and number 4, here we come. This one is inspired by a photo I saw online. I will link the Instagram handle on the screen for where I saw it, because I can't remember the person who posted it right now off the top of my head. But essentially, I used the green border again, but in the middle of the page and at a diagonal. I used this spread in my April setup as well, and it worked out really well for me, so I decided I'll do it again. Brings us to our very last weekly. I kept this one super simple because I was tired at this point, so I just drew 6 sets of lily pads across the 2 pages, added some dots to fill in the gaps, and wrote in the dates. Again, washi tape for interest, and called it a day. Setting up a brain dump page for the month, I kept it super simple because I wanted the contents inside to pop and be the focus. Coming to the last 2 pages of this setup, I am trying out a new tracker this month, an expenses tracker. Since I've been home, I've been online shopping, and do I need more pens? No. Do I want more pens? Always. So I decided to keep myself in check and track my spending. This tracker is inspired by Art and Fox's expense tracker. I will link her Instagram down below so you can check her out. She has some amazing bullet journal setups. And lastly, I have my memories page. This memory page is just there so I can doodle in memorable events that happen. And that concludes my July setup, folks. This is the final flip through of the July section in my bullet journal. Don't forget to check out the fundraiser stickers in the description below and to like and subscribe if you like this video. Also, here are some videos you might like, so check them out if you got some time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!